Hello children, so now let us go to the next word problem. A man sells an article at a profit of 25%. Okay, he is selling, suppose let us assume this is an article he is selling for 25%. If he had bought it at 20% less and sold it for 36.75 less, he would have gained 30%. Find the cost price of the article. Now children, if you see the first sentence, we have not been given anything about this article. We know only the profit percentage. We don't know what is cost price. We don't know what is selling price. So let us assume the cost price to be X. Okay. Once we taken cost price as X, our next step will be to find selling price. What is the formula for finding selling price, children? Actually, selling price is nothing but selling price minus cost price is equal to profit. This is what we have learned, because in profit selling price is always greater. So if I want to find selling price, then P minus CP, when it will go there, it will become plus C. So we know selling price is profit plus cost price. What is profit? We have to find out, and we know what is cost price. So with the help of profit percentage, we will find out what is profit. So profit percentage is equal to P by CP into 100. What is profit percentage? 25. We don't know P. We have taken CP as X into 100. So if I take X here, it will become 25X, and 100 when it comes here, it will become in the denominator. So this is our profit. So I will just substitute the value of profit here. Right? So if I take LCM 100 plus 101, the LCM is 100. So into 100, 25x plus 100x is equal to 125x by 100. And if I bring it to lowest term, 25 fours are 25 fives are. So my SP is 5x by 4. So now I have got three things out of the first sentence. What did I do, children? First, profit percentage was given and I assumed cost price to be X. Taking cost price as X, I found out selling price. How? First I found out what is profit. With the help of profit percentage, I found out profit, and once I got the profit, I used the formula selling price is equal to P plus CP, and I got 5x by 4. So this is what I did by reading only the first sentence. Now let us go to the second sentence. This is a condition. If he had bought it at 20% less. If he had bought at 20% less. So this is a condition, children. So bought means cost price. Actually we have taken, let us suppose that he has bought the article for X rupees. If he had bought for 20% less, like if I have bought a product for 100 rupees, 20% less means 20 rupees, because it is 20% of 100 is 20, so 100 minus 20 is 80. So if I had bought the product for 80 rupees, so like that we have to find out what is the product for 20% less. So this is actually our original cost price, and this is our original selling price. Okay, so with the help of this, we will find the new cost price. So let us assume X into 20 by 100, because 20% less, we have to subtract 20% less from this. So X into 20 by 100 is 20x by 100, right? So what will be our new CP? Original cost price minus this condition, we will get new cost price. Okay, so what is original cost price? It is X minus, according to the condition, it should have been bought less than this 20x by 100. So if I take a LCM, I will get 100 minus 20x. 100x minus 20x is 80x by 100. So if I further reduce it to lowest term, 0 0 cancel, 2 4s are 2 5s are 10. So this is my new CP. How did I get new CP? Original CP, that was this, minus I did 20% less on that. So this minus this, I got new CP. So if I had bought it at 20% less, and sold it for 36.75 less. This is condition for selling price. So he is telling if you have bought this for original selling price was this, but if you make it less by this much. So this is our next condition, sold for 36.75 less. So this is about selling price. Sold means same way, original selling price minus this condition will give me new selling price. What is original selling price, children? 5x by 4 minus what is the condition? It should have been sold for 36.75. So this is my new selling price. Okay, he would have gained 30%. That means because of this condition, he will make a profit of 30%. So once we have been given profit percentage, then we will use the formula of profit. Okay, so let us use here. Profit percentage is what, children? P by CP into 100. So we will use that formula. Profit percentage is equal to P by CP into 100. But we don't know P. How do we get P? New selling price minus new cost price. Because what is profit, children? Profit is always selling price minus cost price, right? But this is condition. So if you are using the condition of profit percentage, you should also use the condition given for new selling price and new cost price. So instead of profit, now I will be using this formula, selling price minus cost price, because that is only going to give me P. So instead of P, now I will write selling price minus cost price. Now I will substitute the values. So what is profit percentage? It is 30. What is selling price? 5x by 4 minus 36.75. Then this minus, and what is CP? CP is 4 by 5x by CP. CP is again new only we have to take. Why we are taking everything new? Because these are based on conditions and our profit percentage is also based on a condition into 100. Okay, so 30 is equal to, now children, I will solve only this part here separately so that you will understand. I will solve this there. Now this is 5x by 4 minus 36.75 minus 4 by 5x. So if there is nothing here, that means it is 1. So let us take the LCM. The LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. So I will multiply with 5. 5 5s are 25x. Then I will multiply this with 25. 36.75 into, no, not 25, 20. 36.75 into 20 will give me 735. Then 5 4s are, that will give me 20x. No, 16x. 4 4s are 16x. So what will be this? 25 minus 6 is 9x minus 735 by 20. Right? So this answer, this numerator is 9x minus 735 by 20. Now what is this sign, children? What is this? This is division, divided by denominator. So instead of division, I can put like this also, 4x by 5 into 100, right? So 30 is equal to 9x minus 735 by 20 reciprocal 5 by 4x into 100. Okay, so 5 21s are 25s are. So 30 is equal to 9x minus 735 into 5 5s are is 25 by 4x. Now I will take this 4x here, so it will become 30 into 4x, and 25 I will bring it down. It will be 9x minus 735 because I have taken this here and I have taken this here. So only this is remaining. So 5 5s are 5 6 are. So 6 4s are 24x by 5 is equal to 9x minus 735. Now this is minus, children. So I will bring minus 735 here. It will become plus 735. And here already 9x is there. I will write as it is. And plus 24x by 5 I will take here. So it will become minus 24x by 5. So if I take the LCM of this, it is 5. So 45x minus 24x. So 735 is equal to 5 minus 4, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. 21x by 5, 735 into 5, and 21 if I bring it here. Okay, so if I do the cancellation, it will be 3675 by 21, which is 175. So the value of x is 175, and we had taken the cost price of the article to be x. So what is cost price of the article? It is 175. So hope you understood, children. See you in next class. Bye.